2015 brought us some truly amazing scientific discoveries and breakthroughs. From NASA finding water on Mars, to scientists inserting woolly mammoth DNA into elephant cells. It seems that with every passing year, scientists blow our minds with incredible new announcements. Announcements that push us ever closer to a futuristic sci-fi style world. So let's take a look at 5 of my personal favourite scientific discoveries of 2015. In July 2015, the New Horizons probe successfully completed its flyby of the distant icy dwarf planet Pluto. The heroic probe allowed us to see for the first time detailed images of Pluto's breathtaking heart shape, its enormous mountain ranges, icy plains, and even the 5 moons that keep the lonely planet company. New Horizons continues to send pictures of the magnificent dwarf planet back to us, but eventually the probe will be setting off again to explore the Kuiper Belt and beyond. In September 2015, scientists made a discovery that has been hailed a breakthrough in evolutionary research. 15 partial skeletons from a previously unknown human species were found deep underground in a cave system just outside Johannesburg, South Africa. Around 1,500 fossils made up the 15 bodies of the new species, which has been called Homo naledi, and they were only accessible via several steep climbs and canvases. Little is known about the Naledi currently, but scientists have said that the find shows how complex the human family tree really is, but ultimately helps us understand the origins of our species that little bit more. July 2015 also brought us another announcement from NASA that they had discovered an exoplanet that is very similar to Earth. So similar in fact that it has been dubbed Earth 2. The actual name of the alien planet is Kepler 452b, and it's a rocky planet that is around 60% larger than Earth. Its star is a G-class star called Kepler 452 in the constellation of Cygnus, and it takes the planet 385 Earth days to orbit. Earth 2 is located in the habitable zone of its star and potentially could have liquid water flowing across it, meaning that some sort of alien life may exist on its surface. Scientists also think that even if alien life doesn't roam the surface, the exoplanet might one day in the far future be a great candidate for humans to colonize. For the last 30 years, doctors have used the same antibiotics to help fight off bacterial infections or diseases. But within this time, the diseases have become stronger, developing resistances to common antibiotics. However, in January 2015, scientists from the Northeastern University in Massachusetts discovered teixobactin, the first new antibiotic in 30 years. Teixobactin was discovered using a new method of culturing bacteria in soil, which allowed researchers to grow a previously unculturable bacteria which produces the antibiotic. The new drug will be put through human clinical trials for the next 2 years, and if successful will be used to fight off mutated resistant diseases. 15 years ago, British inventor Roger Shawyer developed the M-Drive, an engine that can be summed up as a propellantless propulsion system, meaning that the engine doesn't use fuel to cause a reaction. The M-Drive seems to produce thrust by using solar power to generate multiple microwaves that move back and forth in an enclosed chamber, and unless something wears down or breaks, theoretically the engine could run forever. However, for years the engine has been ridiculed as being impossible, as it is believed to break some basic laws of physics, like the law of the conservation of momentum. But NASA confirmed that after many tests, the M-Drive actually does work, and it potentially could revolutionise space travel in the future. The incredible engine, if found to be viable, may be able to take astronauts to the Moon within 4 hours, to Mars within 70 days, Pluto within 18 months, and Alpha Centauri within 100 years. So there are 5 of my favourite scientific discoveries of 2015, but what are yours? Let me know in the comment section below. I really hope you enjoyed this video and all of the other videos I've created within the last year. Remember to like and subscribe for much more to come if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.